As a vertically integrated poultry company, Maple Leaf Farms owns and operates its own hatcheries with the help of qualified staff who are also trained in biosecurity and certified in animal well-being. The eggs that are delivered to our hatchery come from breeder farms like this one. Hens will lay their eggs in the very early hours of the morning, and the farm families who care for these ducks each day will come in to collect the eggs and place them into trays. These eggs are then held in an egg storage area where they are picked up daily by our temperature-controlled trucks and then transported to the hatchery. We receive eggs here at our hatchery in an egg wash area where the staff inspects, cleans, and sanitizes them. The eggs that do not meet the specifications of good hatching eggs due to size, cleanliness, or shell quality are sorted out during the wash process. The eggs that meet our standards are placed onto trolleys and stored in a temperature-controlled room at about 60 degrees Fahrenheit prior to incubation. At this temperature, embryo development is slowed down so that when eggs are incubated, they are all at a very similar stage of development. Eggs can be stored for upwards of 2 weeks, but we typically store eggs for about 3 to 6 days for optimal hatchability. The embryos start to develop once the eggs are placed in these large incubators, which mimic natural conditions and provide a very uniform, warm environment. In these machines, the eggs are automatically rotated every hour to simulate how mother birds turn their eggs. This has been found to be very important in the proper development of all the components inside the egg that support embryo development, like the albumin, yolk, and chorioallantoic membrane. With today's technology, our incubators have a computer monitoring system, as shown here, that can be programmed to adjust the temperature, humidity, and ventilation at different stages of development to meet the embryo's changing needs as it grows. Our trained staff manually monitors our incubators twice a day and can also remotely monitor each machine from the hatchery office or off-site. These eggs will remain in the incubator for 24 days. About halfway through the incubation process, at approximately day 14, the trays of eggs are candled. Infertile eggs, which appear more transparent and yellow due to the light shining through the egg yolk, are removed. Fertile eggs are left in the trays and placed back into the incubators so the embryos can continue to grow. At day 24, the eggs are removed from the incubator and carefully transferred from trays to baskets that are placed into hatchers. The eggs will remain in the hatcher for 5 days or until hatch is completed. The hatchers provide an ideal environment for the ducks to hatch out of the eggs. On day 28, the staff pulls the baskets out of the hatcher, separates the ducks from the eggshells, and sorts and counts the ducks into clean delivery boxes so they can be transported in climate-controlled trucks to the farm later that same day. The farmers have prepared for the new flock by cleaning the barn from top to bottom, heating the nursery area, and ensuring there are fresh feed and water available for the newly hatched ducklings. The ducklings begin their transition to life on the farm under the watchful, careful eye of our partner farm family.